Hey, what's up, guys? It's LightningDude42 here, and I'm back again to bring you guys another reaction video. After I finish recording my Meet the Skocks by Bosch. Only 30 seconds long. Yeah, I know. So odd. Anyways, for today's reaction, we're going to be reacting to a King of the Hill YTP. And I'm pretty sure some of you may or may not recognize, but it's called Hank of the Hill, but a re-upload. It was originally created by Durham Rockers Z. No, I'm not sure what happened. Got taken down, but the video that I'm watching has already 1.2 million views, and it's created 6 years ago. Now I do remember seeing this, but I don't think I remember watching it back then. But I heard it's really good, so let's start the reaction. 3, 2, 1, play. Okay, Bobby.
I tell you, I hate Nancy. It's a beautiful day. Yay.
Sunday.
Yay.
Sunday. And Saturday. It's the 9th annual Dallas Mower Expo. Be there as the biggest things in mowers, hedgers, and clippers on hedgers and clippers on hedgers and clippers on Sunday. Cutting technology. Sea King. Sea King. Sea King. Mower painting. Mower painting. Sea King. Don't miss the Dallas Mower Expo. Be there.
Gosh, that doesn't count, men. I guess I win again.
Boy, Aunt Peg, the words I don't know could fill a dick.
You know, the Elks are having a Boggle tournament to raise bail money for their treasurer. Maybe you should enter.
Boggle. Boggle. Boggle.
Boggle.
Boggle. All right, Peggy, I replaced my watch battery, ate a Cinnabon, and bought a pea trap. I can't kill any more time. Let's go.
Hank, it is only round 5.
Let's go.
Right, let's go.
Impatient.
Boggle.
Oh, little sick boy. Would you like for me to find your name in the next Boggle? Boggle. Boggle. Okay.
Boy, that wife of yours is pretty good. I guess that's why they call her your better.
Who calls her
Boggle.
that?
They.
Hey, you want to be my coach?
A boggle, coach?
Boggle.
What would I do?
Well, Hank, you don't have to get up, do anything. You just have to get up there. Get. Unless you want me to go off to Dallas by myself.
Dallas? Salad. Crackheads and debutantes.
Sunday.
Guess who's going to the mower show? Whoa.
Boy, how'd you manage to swing that? Boy, Peggy, we like mowers.
Simple. I found a Boggle tournament in Dallas to keep her busy while we have some real fun. Check it out, man. Talk about a road trip up that Big D motel. Hell, man. You talk about the biggest names in mowers, edges, and clippers. Be there. Man, it's going to be fun. Let's go, Peggy.
Hang on, I wish I had a car horn that could do that.
When?
You look like you could use a wallet. Would you like to make a wallet?
Harley Davidson.
Hank is not just my husband. He is also my coach.
Oh, well, then you'll be needing one of these.
Now you listen to me.
The name is Hank Hill, Mr. Hank Hill. Peggy married me. I didn't marry her.
What are you?
Why, hero, it's this different guy rubbing in his everything.
What are you saying, Reese?
Okay, the guy at Home Depot said all we gotta do is strip, sand, varnish, buff, varnish, buff, varnish, wax, sand, buff. Oh, God. No!
No.
That was close.
Why did it sound like a test? Hey.
I see myself in the winner's circle, and you are right there next to me. My coach, my big-ass man.
Dang.
Winner!
Loser! You're a loser! Are
I
you
heard
feeling
that scene.
sorry for yourself? Well, you should be, because you are dirt! You make me
Sick,
sick,
you
you
big
big baby!
baby.
Baby want a bottle? A big dirt bottle?
Why are you yelling at me?
I remember
You're a
seeing that you could loser
I
from
can't afford
different
any more
YTPs.
screw-ups. I just spent my last dollar on deodorizing carpet ceilings.
That was just solid.
Hey, dang, someone pick up that dang old rock. Man, this dang old piece of dang old fucked up. Get out there. That. I ain't got no fingers!
All right, it's going to be best of 3. I want a clean game. No foreign words, no foreign objects. Shake.
Damn. Mr. Piggy.
Yeah.
Peggy Hill is down to her last pencil. She has no more pencils in reserve.
What's a benzel?
This is awful. I think it's all over for Peggy Hill.
Loser!
Loser.
Now, let's show them how we play Boggle in Arlen.
Whatever you say, coach.
Feeling like that Boggle.
Oh, yeah.
Pencil.
Peggy Hill was riding up a storm, but will it be enough?
I win.
Loser! You're a loser! Are you feeling sorry for yourself?
You big baby.
Boggle?
I can't get enough of that Boggle. Well, that was Hank of the Hill. Guys, definitely check this YTP. It is really good. The link to the original video will be in the link in the description down below if you guys want to see without my reaction. And okay, so if you guys enjoyed this video, just hit that like button, subscribe, comment, subscribe to my channel, and comment on which video you want me to react to next. And until next time, LD42 out.